pia wakurugenzi wale ambao wametuletea magari, asante. Ya pili ndio hiyo, makofi ya wapi wananchi wa Rumuruti, sisikii makofi.
The road in the wrong place. Yeah, and if Kenya Power you are here,
financing development in counties, yaani kuweza kupata pesa ya kufanya maendeleo kupitia ile budget ambayo county governments wanapata, ile equitable share na ile own source revenue is not enough, haitoshi. Lazima tukue kila saa tunatafuta mbinu mpya za kuweza kuchangia ile kikapu ya pesa.
Kwa mfano vile umeelezwa na John, in terms of financing, how do you sustainably finance development work? You can wait for equitable share, hiyo ni njia moja. Lakini inafaa pia, you require to increase the resource envelope, and you have to innovate in the ways in which you can do so. So you cannot just depend on equitable share. First of all, you have to raise your own resources in taxes as own source revenue. Secondly, you have to look for financial products that can work, like leasing. And that's how you can hear what the chief officer is saying.
We're very proud to be associated with Laikipia County. The concept of leasing, making sure that you are able to use brand new, high quality equipment and just pay as you use. And the 5-year period, as most of you know, an Isuzu lasts for 20-30 years. So in 5 years, these vehicles will still be very new. So it means that there will be very limited downtime, and they will be able to do the work that the residents of Laikipia expect of a good quality machine.